Hi friends! Welcome to your video telling your assignment about penguins. To do this assignment, you should have already done these other two things. If you haven't done them yet, you are not ready to do this assignment. We read this book called Penguins, and we learned some interesting facts. And we wrote some of those facts down. We also watched a video to learn more about penguins, and we found facts in the video that the book did not tell us. Now, here is the assignment part. We're going to present two facts on the paper that looks like this. There are two boxes at the top. It says penguins by blank in the middle, and that's where you will put your name nice and neat. And there's a big open space at the bottom. On this section, you're going to write a fact you learned about penguins from the book. The fact you write will have a capital letter at the beginning, it will have a period at the end, and you're going to read it when you're all done and make sure that what you wrote makes sense. Over here, it says, fact from the video. In this box, you will write a different fact about penguins. It will be a fact that you learned from the video and not the book. You're going to start your sentence again with a capital letter and end with a punctuation mark. And when you're all done, you're going to read it and make sure that it makes sense. Like I said before, this line is for your name. And what do you think this big empty space at the bottom is for? Any guesses? I'll give you a hint. It starts with a P. That's where you're going to draw a picture of a penguin. Now you might be thinking, I don't know how to draw a penguin. Never fear, I have a video for you. It is right with this video in your Google Classroom. And it's going to teach you how to draw a penguin. So if you already know how to draw a penguin, you can draw your own. But if you don't feel confident, you can watch the video and it will help you. I want you to draw your picture neatly and I want you to color it. If you want to give some background to go in the picture, you may do that as well. But this area down here is reserved for a nice, neat picture. I can't wait to see your assignment, and if you work really hard on it, I'd love to hang it out in the hall for everyone to see your facts you learned about penguins. If you don't remember any penguin facts, feel free to look back in the book or back at the video. And guess what? There's a word that I'm expecting you to spell correctly. Do you know what it is? That word is penguins. Now, penguins does not have to start with a capital letter. It is not a proper noun. And a lowercase p will go below the line like this. You only need to capitalize it as if it is at the beginning of a sentence. I can't wait to see you spell the word penguins correctly in your work. Here's a little girl. She looks a little bit like a penguin. And Ruby's saying, let's get started. You may now watch the video on how to draw a penguin, or you may get started writing your facts from the book and the movie very neatly on your sheet. Don't forget your capitals and periods. Have fun and work hard.